Hi, I'm Baron from Corvan. Thank you for choosing the S9 Steam Spot Cleaner, a practical and powerful solution to tackle everyday stains and spills. In this video, we will go through the setup, usage and maintenance to get the best out of your S9. Let's get started.
Once open, you'll first see this quick start guide. Please read through carefully. You can download the complete user manual with warranty policy here, and remember to register for the product warranty. The product serial number is at the bottom of the machine. Inside the box, you'll find the S9 main unit, the standard vacuum head that comes with a nylon brush attachment, a rubber brush attachment, and a transparent scraper. These two allow you to rinse with water or steam and extract dirty water at the same time. Then you'll find the tools for steam cleaning: the steam nozzle, large round nylon brush, small round brass brush, flat brush, angled nozzle, flat scraper, glass cleaner, and cleaning cloth, plus a self-cleaning tool. It also comes with a screw and a holder. Some units may come with a spray bottle and spot and stain detergent. The wide variety of tools are designed to handle various types of dirt and stains on various materials. Place the S9 on a flat surface. Attach the handle holder and tighten with the provided screw. Do not over-tighten the screw. Clip to hold the handle. Wind the cable around the cable organizer and clip the plug. S9 has 4 universal wheels for easy movement. Move the machine by holding the main handle. Do not pull S9 using the hose or power cord. Hold the handle and lift the clean water tank. Fill with clean water or purified water up to the max line. Add 1 capful of Corvan detergent to the spray bottle. Fill the rest with water and shake well. Do not add detergent directly into the clean water tank. This may damage the heater. Press this power button to turn on the machine. The machine is now in standby mode with all lights blinking. Spray detergent directly onto the stain and scrub gently with the brush. Touch the cold hot water button once for cold water rinsing and vacuuming. Touch again to switch to hot water rinsing and vacuuming. The water temperature can reach up to 60 Celsius, so please handle it with care. Press the steam button once to activate steam mode. After about 20 seconds, the heater is ready to generate steam while the light stays stationary. When steam is first activated, some water may come out before stable steam appears. This is normal due to water remaining in the tube. Pull and hold the trigger until the steam becomes more stable. The steam is at boiling temperature at the nozzle. Please handle it with extreme care. Press the steam button twice to activate steam plus vacuum mode. To clean using cool water, hot water or steam depends on the type of stain. For example, do not use steam when removing stains that contain protein, like milk and egg. Please refer to comprehensive cleaning tips shared on our website at www.corvan.com.my. Always test on a small hidden area first to ensure the material is safe for cleaning. To remove the attachment, press the release button and pull gently. This self-cleaning tool is designed to clean the hose automatically after every use. Using the steam function is just like using any regular steam cleaner. Each of the tools are designed to clean certain types of surfaces with steam. Align the tool with the steam nozzle, making sure the large and small slots match the correct locking tabs. Push it in, then turn clockwise to lock it securely. For steam cleaning, use steam mode only. Do not turn on vacuum mode. Be careful when changing the heated tool during use. 1. The dirty water will be collected in the wastewater tank. 2. For regular maintenance, use the self-cleaning tool to clean the hose. Once attached, it holds the trigger down, allowing water to flush through the hose when you press the self-cleaning button. One self-cleaning cycle takes 30 seconds. For a deeper flush, place the handle into a bowl of clean water. 3. Remember to empty the wastewater tank after every use or whenever it is full. This is the wastewater inlet, and this is the clean air outlet. To empty it, flip the handle to the other side to unlock the cover, pour out the wastewater, and rinse the tank with mild detergent such as hand soap if necessary. If water comes out from the air exhaust during use, pause or switch off the machine first. Then, remove the wastewater tank and clean water tank. Tilt the body slightly to drain out any remaining water. After that, empty the wastewater tank before continuing to use the machine. Wipe to clean the other part of the machine. Wrap the power cord around the hooks, coil the hose, clip the handle onto the handle holder, and store the S9 in a cool, dry place.
And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helps to keep your S9 Steam Spot Cleaner well maintained, clean, and performing at its best. If you found this video helpful, drop us a comment. We truly value your feedback.